Okay, today we are here for discuss about some desktop motherboard training topics. So you can see here any electronics in repairing field. If you want to repair, then we must know knowledge about basic electronics. In basic electronics, we should know what is resistor, what is capacitor, what is transistor, what is MOSFET. In desktop motherboard, what is crystal. So this type of basic electronics topics include here all electronics component which is useful in desktop motherboard repairing. We will learn here its working condition, its testing method. After that, here you can see hub architecture topic. Hub architecture means we will talk about board desktop motherboard with two chipsets and one CPU socket. In series, we can say from 945 series, also 845, but 845 is mostly not available nowadays in the market. So 945, after that 31 series, after that 41. This series we called hub architecture. In hub architecture, there is a VRM section, VRM circuit. We also called it the CPU circuit, core voltage circuit. Okay, in different country, different area, people know this section with the many names. After that, our RAM circuit. After that, GMCH and ICH circuit. After that, clock generator circuit. After that, RTC circuit, CMOS circuit. Most important, SIO. We should know the SIO pin details, because whenever in any desktop motherboard there is the problem of no power on. If our motherboard is not power on, it means we called it my motherboard is dead, it's not powering on. Okay, in that case this SIO pin details is very important for us to solve this problem in the desktop motherboard. Okay, we will discuss about this again in topics. Today we are just taking the topics detail, because my new batch of the desktop motherboard learning is starting from the 11th November, from the next month. But before that, I am giving topics detail free, and after 3 or 4 days, maybe on Thursday, okay, we will take desktop motherboard case study understanding of the 3 or 4 models with the full steps. I will show you in PDF board model image, what is the problem, troubleshooting steps, and what is the solution. This type of case study understanding available on my YouTube channel also. You can watch there also. After this class, I will give my YouTube channel in group. Okay, my class is in both language, English and Hindi. Today I am taking this class in English language because here many members are from other countries, not only in India. So, but my paid classes I am using both language, English, and after that I convert that in Hindi language. So both members, English and Hindi, in one batch we will meet, we will learn, and my motto is learn more and more, practice more and more, do work more and more, so you can learn more and more, and you can earn more and more. After that, here is the PCH architecture. We all know what is the PCH architecture in desktop motherboard. Only one chipset board from the 55 series. We all know 61 series, 81. After that, 85, 87, 95, 97. But this 85, 87, 95, 97 is not most popular and not using in the market mostly. So we mostly know after 81, 110 series board. So we will cover in our class this old series and the latest series 450, that is the gaming board. We will also cover this. I again confirm to from you. Can you hear me and can you understand my language?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mahavir Jain ji. Today, my headphone is at my office. I forgot there, so I'm using my mobile mic. So maybe any disturbance for that. Sorry, but next time I will not forget my headphone. So I will manage there. Here you can see also we can understand both architecture, both platform, because we know that in desktop motherboard two platform is used. One is Intel based platform and second is AMD based platform. So we can cover here both platform. We can also take here what is the different between Intel and AMD. what is the troubleshooting steps in Intel platform and AMD platform. You can see here ready-made many model problem solution also I will give in my class, so you can save your time. Which model ready-made solution I will give you, if that same model and same problem coming to you, you can repair it, you can solve it in just 5 or 10 minutes, and you can earn 400 to 800 rupees in 5 or 10 minutes. And mostly I many time told to my student, and which call coming to me for the inquiry of the class, I always tell them to one thing, that is, from wherever you got the training of the desktop motherboard, no problem, but when you are learning from the any institute, what happening, you feel that you learn all things and you can now repair the desktop motherboard. But after that, reality is, whenever you sit on your table, on your shop, and take any desktop motherboard for the repairing, again your mind in the confusion. From where we are start to troubleshoot, what we can check, what is the condition for the OK condition. So this type of confusion is becoming after training. So from this ready-made and find problem and solution with all desktop series motherboard case study understanding from the PDF. This type of confusion is not becoming after my class. So this is my method. You can also watch on YouTube videos, so you can understand more and more about my class. We will see here next. And my class is always friendly class. No any sir, no any student. We all are same. We all are same. Something I learn from you, something you learn from me, something we learn from the each other. And in my class group, I am telling always to help and support each other, because no one is 100% in electronics repairing line. So always support and help each other and work with the together. So you can see here all power supplies and signals we can understand in our class. Enable and power good, what is the clock and reset, where we can check in the desktop motherboard at the troubleshooting time. Gigabyte, Asus, MSI, board view usage, also schematic usage, AMD chipset, motherboard reset circuit failure troubleshooting, CMOS circuit problem troubleshooting. In desktop motherboard, I have experienced CMOS circuit mostly we not checked in the desktop motherboard. We ignore this. But brothers, this is the where CMOS and RTC circuit is very important in desktop motherboard troubleshooting, mostly in nowadays from the 61 series. CMOS and RTC circuit never ignore. Must check this circuit also. After that, we will understand timing of Intel G41, H55, H61, Z77 series, timing of AMD RS780, RS880, F55, A75 of the AMD platform series, DDR2 memory chip. We can we can understand RAM section, and also we can understand commonly used memory section circuit controller IC RT9214 APW7120, also FP6321 is the compatible of the APW7120, also RT8105, RT8120. We will understand its pin details and its working condition. Also same like with the DDR3, and also for the latest generation motherboard DDR4 RAM circuit also we will cover here. You can see here use of CPU socket tester. This topic also I will cover here, because nowadays if you want to save your time in repairing, so you always use latest tools. If you use and if you work with the latest tools, you can give result in desktop motherboard fastly, quickly. Also power on protection circuit, because in nowadays desktop motherboard have mostly problem coming, that is on off problem. Once fan run and it stop, and no any sorting in VRM section, mostly from the 61 series this problem becoming. Okay, so this topic is also important for this. Also we cover here Asus 11 model problem solving full method stepwise with solution. Also MSI 10 model, Gigabyte 10 model, Foxconn and Chinese, and some branded motherboard also we will cover here, Dell, Fujitsu, Lenovo, HP, with ready-made solution. Also USB overcurrent error details. Maybe you all know this. In many motherboard this error coming, USB overcurrent, so your PC will shut down in 15 seconds. This error is coming mostly in Asus company motherboard. So this ready-made solution with details solution also I will give you step by step in class. Also we learn all supply learn about transistor used in desktop motherboard, and this is the transistor number. Because mostly in gigabyte motherboards and branded motherboards, these transistors roles are very important for the switching purpose in many circuit. One many common example is VCC IO and VCC SA supply circuit. Maybe most of you in gigabyte 6181 series, one transistor and remove and my board is giving display and on a problem solve. This situation maybe you will cover and you already solved. So this type of also cover here. Also we will learn what is the gate circuit in desktop motherboard, and very important is operational amplifier, because in nowadays motherboard this operational amplifier circuit problem is very important to understand. If you want to repair desktop motherboard perfectly, you can know this operational amplifier. So we will also cover here. Hi, Mohan Dosanji. Hi, hello. After complete this topic, you can message here your question. I will try to give reply and answer. Okay, don't worry. Okay, I already uploaded this PDF, and you can see here one thing that VGA circuit structure, but also in nowadays motherboard we will also know, and we should get also knowledge of the DVI and HDMI circuit. So we will also cover this in this batch. On a problem with no reset, what is the steps for solving this, we are cover here. And you can see after completing this class you can get 100 plus desktop motherboard case study understand with the ready-made solutions. And my desktop motherboard training videos are available, but in Hindi language. Okay, Indian Hindi language. So if anyone join this batch, I will also give that 80 videos, password protected videos. I will also give in Telegram after joining the class, and also you can take the advantage of this live online batch. And many other things we are learning